Hello everybody and welcome to Digital Rhetoric Online. In this short video I'd like to tell you a little bit more about what to expect from this class during the next 6 weeks. The subject of digital rhetoric is a very new and, in my opinion, very exciting prospect for anybody who's interested in the ways in which language functions and communication functions in the age of the internet. The basic premise behind the idea of digital rhetoric is that traditional rhetoric, which is usually defined as the art of persuasion, does not always account well for the influences that digital media and the internet have affected on the way we communicate, speak, write, persuade, and influence one another. So the basic question that the area of digital rhetoric is trying to answer is how do these new communication technologies influence our use of language? Language has been defined very broadly, not just verbal language, but also visual language, multimedia language, all kinds of language. So the main focus of our course for the next 6 weeks will be investigating those influences and those changes. The class website is fairly simple and self-explanatory. At the top of the page you will see the syllabus link, the calendar, the learning modules link, of which there are 3. Each learning module is configured exactly the same as the other 2. Hopefully this will make navigating through them easier and more intuitive. Each learning module will culminate in a written project of some sort, whether it's an individual project or a collaborative one. We will study each module as we begin them, and I will be happy to answer any questions about them as they arise. Then there is a link to the course wiki. If you're new to wikis are collaborative writing environments where people can jointly author texts. And then finally you will see a link to the help section, which are basically forums in which I would like you to post questions if you have any. If you're new to online classes, you might be wondering how this online course will function. First thing I'd like to mention is that we will not actually be meeting at any given time in any kind of a virtual environment, such as a chat room or anything like that. Instead, you will be contributing to the class website in a way that is called asynchronous, which means there will be deadlines and assignments, but you will be able to do them on your own and contribute those assignments to the class website, either in the form of blog posts or wiki posts or forum posts. Interaction is extremely important. A good online class is separated from a bad one by the degree of interaction among the students and also between the students and the instructor. So if you think about those old-fashioned correspondence courses where you could sit at home and receive something in the mail and then do the assignment and mail it back, this is not it. Online courses, good online courses, tend to involve everybody from the very start, and I will be asking you to interact with one another through written comments, through collaboration on projects and such. And so just get into the mindset of collaboration very early on, and then the mindset of interaction with one another as well as with me very early on in the class. I look forward to working with you. I'm excited you could join me for this class, and if at any point I can answer any questions or concerns, please let me know. It's a very exciting topic. The website is set up so that we don't just talk about digital rhetoric, we actually practice it. Blogs, wikis, multimedia, conversations, collaboration, as you will see, are all features of digital rhetoric. So by participating in this class, on the one hand you're discussing the subject of digital rhetoric, on the other hand you're practicing digital rhetoric every day as you learn. Again, I look forward to working with you, and have a great semester. I will see you online frequently. Thanks a lot again, and goodbye.